With the new standards, new problems arise. When computers began to switch to USB-C, including Apple, which included all updates to the MacBook Pro in 2016, tons of companies tried to find the best solution to restore old ports with hubs and dongles. Now, with Qi finally triumphing as the winner of the standard wireless charging wars, we are seeing the same rush to find the best solution for wireless chargers. The incredibly descriptive but somewhat inelegant HyperDrive USB-C Hub plus 7.5W Qi wireless charger for iPhone from Hyper could be the answer to both problems, combining a wireless charger and a USB-C hub in a single device. We see many Kickstarter projects, many of which do not fulfill their potential, but I am crossing my fingers so that this is not one of them. At least on paper, the HyperDrive seems to verify every box for wireless chargers and USB-C hubs. If it were just a wireless charger, it would be great. It supports up to 15W of output, which means it can support all the fast wireless charging specifications that exist, with enough space for faster devices in the future. The support is adjustable, so it can be flat or tilt-and-angled phone, and includes 3 wireless charging coils, which drastically reduces the risk of accidental misalignment of the phone so it does not charge. In addition, it is charged through a standard USB-C power input,